Alright, okay, now the problem is this SmallRig clamps that's supposed to be locking the HDMI cable and the USB-C cable within the SmallRig cage right here. And this SmallRig cage is supposed to be compatible for the Blackmagic 4K and the Blackmagic 6K. So, and according to the instruction, this is supposed to work with this cage, right? And as you can see, it is made by SmallRig, just like the cage. So, but the problem I'm realizing here, you see the distance between the two screws, they're not lining up in the cage with the holes here. So you try to screw it like the way it's supposed to in order to hold the cables, but look, it just won't line up in the holes, like as if it's not made for it. So that's a problem. I will turn the camera off first so I can unplug the cable right here, and then I will have to unplug the HDMI cable as well. Okay, now try to fit this in the right spot. Okay, so you see this screw gets in, but the other one, it doesn't line up with the hole. So alright, which way you turn it, even if you turn it this way, it's not changing the distance between the two screws and the hole. So they don't line up properly. So do they have a specific one for the 4K and the specific one for the 6K cage? Because this cage, it says compatible to both 4K and 6K. That means you're supposed to fit the 4K in there and also the 6K, the Blackmagic Pocket 6K. So what's up with this not being able to be placed? Yeah, I can screw one, but where is the other one is supposed to screw if it doesn't fit in the hole? It doesn't fit. So it will have to be placed a little bit lower in order to fall exactly in its spot. I don't know what's wrong, because that's where it's supposed to be screwed anyway. Doesn't fit because it's at the height of the HDMI cable and the USB-C cable. So it's not that, you see, all the holes, they are proportional, they place at the same distance. If any of you guys are running with this problem and you want to share if there's something that I'm doing wrong, I'll be happy to hear your side.